Today, I'm gonna combine my love for slime with my love for cute animals and turn the world's cutest animals into slime. We're starting off with the red pandas. And guys, I'm so excited for this video. I even wore a dolphin shirt. Comment down below if you like my shirt. For the red pandas, I went with a cloud dough texture because they're very fuzzy animals. And fun fact about red pandas, they're actually closely related to raccoons, which is really crazy. For this color scheme, I'm gonna add a little bit of red, to match their coat, and a hint of brown, and a lot of yellow. Let's give that a good little mix. Another fun fact about red pandas is that they're actually native to the Himalayas and Southwest China, and they love to climb trees. They're just like me. We're getting a good color here, but I think I need to add a lot more red. We gotta make sure that we get the perfect shade of red to match their coat, which, by the way, protects them from predators. So we gotta make sure that we get that exact color. Okay, I'm really happy with this color. Now we gotta find the perfect charms, and check this out. We literally have a little red panda charm. Isn't that so cute? Okay, for this slime, I wanna make it look like a cute little fuzzy red panda. Give it a good old twist. I don't think, oh wait, no, yeah, I literally saw a red panda at the San Antonio Zoo. They're such cute creatures, and look at how cute this slime looks. Let's add a bit of the sun. They love their sunshine. But of course, with the sunshine, we also have a nice little cloudy day. That is our red panda slime. I think it looks gorgeous. If you think this slime is cute, make sure to like this video. The next adorable little guy we're making is called a quaca. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've never seen a quaca. We're getting my live reaction right now. What is a quaca? Oh my gosh, wait, no, I've seen these guys. They're so cute. They look like little kangaroos. They're so cute. Okay, I'm so excited for this. I feel like these guys have a crazy personality, so I wanna make this slime a very bright blue. Now, I did my research, okay? First of all, these creatures are marsupials that are native to Australia. That makes total sense. They literally look like kangaroos. They're also herbivores, so they feed on grass, leaves, stems. They like their fruit. I need to meet one. I need to meet a quaca at some point. Now that our slime has a beautiful bright blue shade, let's get our sprinkles. For these sprinkles, I have something really fun for you guys. I want to make sure that I represent their nocturnal nature, so I have a wide variety of sprinkles here. We have some stars. They like to hang out under the stars and have a good time with their friends. Some little smiley faces. These creatures are like always happy. They're living their best lives. And the best part, our quaca! Look at this little guy. Look at his smile. This dude is like seriously so happy. Like there's nothing that could bring him down. I want to be just like him. Let's top it off on our slime. This looks lovely. Shout out to all the quaccas out there watching this video. You guys are awesome. For this next animal slime, I have a special guest.
What's up, everybody?
Give it up for Dan.
We're doing cute animals today.
Yeah, we are, but we're gonna make an aquatic animal, so you get to choose. What do you want to make?
Ooh, how about a big old manta ray?
Ooh, good idea.
Looks like it's flying through the ocean. They're so cute. They got little wings.
I want to be a manta ray just flying through the ocean. What should we do for the color here?
Obviously blue. We gotta go with the ocean color. And then we got a lot of aquatic charms in Charmville. We can go do that.
All right, let's go to Charmville.
Let's do it.
Okay, we're back from Charmville.
I got the charms.
I got the dye.
We got a beautiful selection of aquatic charms here with little manta rays. They're actually so cute.
Wait, they do look like they have wings.
I know, they fly through the ocean. They're all majestic. All right, I'll pour the dye, you mix it because you have the gloves on.
Okay.
I don't want to get my hands all messy like I did last time.
Have you ever actually touched like a manta ray or like a stingray before?
Yeah, like the aquarium with the little shallow pools.
Yeah.
You go in the aquarium and you get all slimy.
It's like a touch tank. They just feel like jelly. Like they have such a weird
They're so
texture.
slippery, they're slimy. I feel like if you tried to grab one, it would wriggle out real easily. Like you couldn't be able to get it.
This looks pretty good.
That is like a sudsy ocean if I've ever seen it.
Dan, did you know that manta rays actually have a wingspan up to 29 feet?
Whoa.
Which means they have the longest brain to body ratio out of all aquatic animals.
It's like the teacher in Finding Nemo, you know how huge he was?
Yeah.
And he had the fish come on his back? That was awesome.
But that also means that they're like a little dummy.
A little slow?
They're a little slow.
A little stupid. It's okay. Look at these charms. These little seashells, these little bubbles.
Yeah, I love the bubbles.
Oh, I brought them backwards. It's okay. The fishies that follow them.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, that reminds me of Finding Nemo.
And then of course, our little manta ray charms are gonna go right on top as the feature to our slime.
Beautiful. I think we did a gorgeous job, but we need to top it off with glitter.
It's gotta be sparkly.
Perfect. What do you think?
I think manta rays across the world will be proud, and not because they have small brains.
The next animal that we're doing is not a fish, but they are excellent swimmers and can actually hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. We are doing a sloth. I am in love with sloths. I love how slow and cute their movements are. They're always just chill and just enjoying the moment. So for this slime, I really want to go for a more like crunchy texture and a leaf green shade because I want to represent their natural habitat where they live. Sloths are actually native to Central and South America. And did you know that there actually is two different types of sloths? There's the two-toed and the three-toed sloths. I had no idea. That's crazy. There's sloths out there with 3 toes. Some that just have 2. I wonder if they get along. What if they're like, you have an extra toe, you're not cool. I definitely added too much green, but hey, this is still looking pretty good. Another really cool thing about sloths is that they have a symbiotic relationship with algae. It actually grows on their skin and allows them to camouflage. I think that is so crazy. We have a lovely shade of green. I don't want to mess it up. And now let me show you guys what I collected from Charmville. A lovely tree. I haven't seen this one before. This is a really cute new charm that we have. And I also have nice little leaves, some flowers, a lovely selection for sure. Okay, let's add our tree here. We gotta make sure that our sloth is happy on a tree, hanging out. And the coolest thing about the slime is that we are also adding some green glitter. I don't think I've ever used green glitter on a slime before. This looks super cool. Now it's time to finally show you the star of the show, our sloth. Look at how cool he is. Let's top him off on our slime. He's sitting on his throne above the trees, looking down at all his friends. Be careful though, he can swing his head around 270 degrees and catch you staring. For this next slime, I want it to be a surprise. So I'm bringing in my best friend, Erin.
Hi guys.
Hey, what's up?
Hi. Hello, what do you need my services for today?
I want you to help me make an animal slime. You can choose any animal that you want. What animal would you like to do today?
Hedgehog. Those are so cute.
They are so cute. That's such a good idea.
And I know we have a hedgehog charm in Charmville.
That's true. Let's go get our materials.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I found a hedgehog.
I honestly am so happy that you chose a hedgehog because I'm obsessed with watching hedgehog videos, especially when people are giving them a little warm bath.
In high school, my bedroom window was like kind of at ground level, and so I could see out directly onto the ground, and there's this hedgehog that lived in my backyard, and he was there every morning, and I'd wake up and I'd see him, and he'd walk across, and then he'd walk around, and he was walking all the time. I don't know what else they do besides walking, because that's all I ever saw him do.
That is so cute. I wish I owned a hedgehog. They kind of remind me of roly-polies.
Oh yeah, I love roly-polies.
When I was in elementary, I was obsessed collecting roly-polies. Did you ever do that? Collect roly-polies?
I didn't collect them, but I would go on like hikes with my dad, and I would just sit and watch them.
All right, let's add our little sprinkles. We have an army of hedgehogs here. They're actually watching a Taylor Swift concert as we speak.
Taylor Swift out here. She's like,
Hey guys, my name's Taylor Swift.
and this guy's like, oh my
What's
God,
up?
I'm obsessed with Taylor Swift. And this guy's like, I hate Taylor Swift. I just came here to support you.
just like, get off of my mountain, dude. You're not a Swiftie.
Get out of here.
Get out of here, dude.
Non-Swifties are not allowed. I'm honestly really proud of this, Erin. We did a wonderful job.
You're on the porch with your hedgehog. He's upset because you said you didn't like Taylor Swift.
Something that
Taylor
she said.
Swift.
Now, I know that you guys are probably thinking right now, oh my gosh, these animal slimes are so cute. I wish that I could buy them. Well, lucky for you, we do have a bunch of cute animal-themed slimes in the shop. This one right here is called Panda Hot Springs. I designed it and I'm super proud of this slime. It's like a tropical paradise. We have a capybara treats, our OG baby axolotl, stingray touch tank, and so many more. So make sure to go online to peachybbies.com and get yourself an animal-themed slime. Now, we all love penguins, but for this slime, we're not just making any penguin. We are making the emperor penguin. These are the tallest and heaviest penguins of all time. For the slime, I went with a jelly cube texture because I want it to look like ice. That is where they live. They live in Antarctica. Wrap them up like a little burrito. Look at that. Something crazy about emperor penguins is that they can dive up to 1,850 feet underwater. Isn't that insane? These guys go into the depths of the ocean, and they can also hold their breath for 20 minutes. Fun fact, I used to be a free diver, and I would go underwater up to like 25 feet. And what was really cool about free diving was that the deeper that I would go, the water would just get so cold. But it was honestly honestly such a meditative experience. So I'm honestly super impressed with emperor penguins. I mean, they go way deeper than that. It's actually insane. These guys also use vocalization to recognize their mates and their children. So these penguins are out there doing their little calls. They're like squawking at each other, and that's how they recognize each other. That is so adorable. But here we have a lovely slime, but we gotta make it look icy, right? We gotta add a little bit of glitter and charms. Another cute thing that I love about penguins is how cuddly they are. They're living out there in these intense cold temperatures, so they need a cuddle. That's what you gotta do to survive. Let's add some of these little snowflakes. And our family of penguins, here we have the dad. He's really making sure that his eggs hatch correctly. Here we have the mom. She's out there diving deep into the waters, making sure that family is well fed. And they have 3 little sons, belly flopping into the ice, just having a good time. What a lovely and wholesome emperor penguin slime. The next cute animal that we're doing are known as the cows of the ocean. They're also known as gentle giants. We're doing the manatee. For the manatees, I want to go for a nice crunchy phloem texture just to change things up. Oh yeah. And of course, they're swimming in the ocean, so we're gonna dye it blue to represent the water. By the way, these creatures are herbivores, so they feed on lots of different plants, leaves, and that's also why they are these like gentle giants. They're humongous, but they're slow, they're very chill, and I did say they're huge. I mean, these guys can weigh up to 1,200 pounds. That is crazy. And they also can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. So even though they live in the sea, they still breathe air. They're kind of like us in a way. I think we have a really beautiful shade of blue here. I'm not gonna add any more. I think it's perfect. For the charms, we wanna make this look very tropical, right? It's giving Caribbean. So we wanna add a really cute little leaf. This is kind of like the algae, like the plants that they feed on. And we're also gonna add some of these little pearls. But now it's time for the best part. Our manatee, look at him. He looks so cute. Let's add him on our slime. Another fun fact about manatees is that they communicate with like squeals and squeaks, and I just think that overall adds to their cuteness. They are adorable, just like our slime. For this next slime, I want to bring on another special guest, the one and only Daphne.
Hi guys.
Woo! It's up to you. Just think of any cute animal.
Any animal in the world?
Yes.
Well, you know, I really like alpacas.
Oh yeah, I love alpacas too. What texture are you thinking?
Alpacas are really fluffy and soft, so I think we gotta go with cloud dough.
All right, we're gonna go to Charmville and get our stuff. We are back. We have our lovely cloud dough and a really nice selection of charms. When we were in Charmville, Daphne fell in love with these alpacas.
They're so cute.
They're so cute. So I want you to go ahead and help me make this slime.
Dyeing slime is always so hard. I always get my hands all messed up.
It's part of the experience.
I'm just gonna put a little bit this time.
You could wear gloves if you want. Only if you want. Maybe you want to pull an errand.
Let's pull an errand.
Let's pull an errand. I'll help you. We can do half and half.
All right.
Something really interesting about alpacas, and I mean, probably know this, is like their wool. It's beautiful, right? And they're actually bred for their wool. People are really interested in using their wool for clothes, furniture, I mean, you name it.
I can't say that I've ever knitted anything, but if I were to knit something, I'd want to use alpaca fur.
Okay, I think this color looks good. Let's combine powers together. Beautiful. But let me tell you a crazy fact, Daphne. This one will blow your mind. Alpacas are actually very snarky creatures. They have really long tongues and they like spit and try to bite you.
Oh.
Yeah, they're crazy. Even in Minecraft, I don't know if you...
Don't mess with an alpaca.
Yeah, you don't want to mess with the alpacas. Here, I'll let you decorate it.
I put the 3 alpacas on there. They're all different colors and a little moon because they're sleepy.
So cute.
These sprinkles are so cute. It kind of goes with the like sleepy time.
3 best friends on a sleepover.
Yes, alpaca sleepover.
Oh my gosh, we just invented a new slime.
There we go.
This is Daphne and I's new slime called Alpaca Sleepover. We cannot forget our flying friends. For this next slime, we are doing our toucans. For this toucan slime, I'm gonna go for a bingsu texture because it's just so spunky and fun. And I wanna dye it yellow because to me, toucans are like a ray of sunshine. Toucans are known for their very colorful bills, and they also take up like most of their size. It's like more than half their body. They're massive. Toucans are very vibrant and colorful creatures. I mean, there's many different kinds. Today, we are working with a green toucan. So I think that that'll contrast nicely with with our yellow here. We're gonna get a chunk of that. And of course, we can't forget the iconic Fruit Loops. I love Fruit Loops. Growing up, that was like my favorite cereal, and we can't forget Toucan Sam. Let's add our slime to our can. And comment down below what your favorite cereal is. Mine always changes throughout the years. It used to be Fruit Loops, but now I think that it's Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Okay, our slime looks amazing. Let's add our little sprinkles. Here we have our lovely toucans. Of course, there's two, and they're in love. And you know, toucans often come in small flocks or pairs, so that's why we have a lovely little couple here. And I love how the yellow looks with all the pink and the green. Check that out. And that is our toucan slime. Elephants are massive and bold creatures, so we have to make this slime just as bold as they are. I'm separating this butter slime into two parts because I want to make it look super vibrant and with a nice swirl as well. On one side, I'm going to add a little bit of pink, and on the other, a little bit of yellow. I feel like pink and yellow always complement each other. There's actually 3 different species of elephants. There's the African bush, the African forest, and the Asian elephant. And I think that's so interesting that there's 3 different beautiful kinds. They're also creatures that have highly developed brains, and they're very social creatures. Something that I really like about them is that they think that humans are cute. Have you guys ever heard about that? Like when they see us, they think we're cute like we think dogs are cute. They have that same nature to them. We got a nice yellow going. Let's work on our pink. I've always thought elephants are like the cutest animals. They're kind of like the manatees where they're these like gentle giants, you know? They're so sweet, so kind. And there's actually this one elephant that I've seen online that paints and very like detailed. And I just think that the fact that they could be artists just like humans just show how smart they really are. Let's line them up just like that. We're gonna give it a fun little twist. Then we're gonna cut it down like that. Another interesting thing about elephants is that they have a crazy matriarchal social structure. So usually the oldest female is the one that leads the herd. So what did we learn from all of these elephant facts? That they're girl bosses, just like us. And girl bosses love cupcakes, which is why we're adding 2. And of course, here we have our elephant girl bosses. And to top it off, add some extra color in there. Literally Aaron and I in a slime. Aaron just got offended that I said that this was us.
Do I look like an elephant to you?
We'll be elephants together. There you have it. We made the cutest slimes for the cutest animals. Comment down below which one is your favorite. Mine has to be the sloth. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!